Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey, today it is time to find the winner of the Country Chick multi-channel collab that we had. That was hosted by Lori Latimer. We had 12 ladies in this collab, and I want to thank each and every one of them. They all did great with their looks, and you all seem to enjoy it based on the comments. And now we're going to hop over to the YouTube comment picker, and we're going to pick a winner. I've filtered for duplicates. I've got our URL in. I have number 7. We're going to get our comments. We had 41 unique comments. I have some puppies playing. Don't be loud. I want to wish you all the best of luck, and thank you very much for watching and supporting all of our channels and subscribing to everyone. That is a condition. You do have to be publicly subscribed to all channels to win. So let's find out who the winner is. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Donna Williams. Hey, such a fun yeehaw country chick look. And I live in Music City, Nashville, Tennessee, but still I don't even own a cowgirl hat or boots. Maybe this will inspire me to dress up and hit the honky tonks. Oh, Donna, that sounds like a plan. I've got to check to make sure you're subscribed to all channels, and I'll be right back. All right, Donna, congratulations. You are the winner of the Country Chick Country Look. And I guess you can get all dolled up and go to the honky tonks. But if you don't, that's okay. We understand. And I'll be getting out your package. You have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your package out right away. And let's congratulate Donna. And remember, everybody, I have lots of giveaways going on, so be sure and check my descriptions. I want to thank each and every one of you. I really appreciate the participation. I really appreciate Lori Latimer and all the ladies that were in this collaboration. But as for today, that's all I have, and I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.